Hi everyone. Welcome to We Can. Have you ever heard the story of the little shepherd boy who cried wolf? Has anyone told you what happened to him when he lied? Let me tell you the boy who cried wolf story in a simple way. I'm sure you will love to read this story and also learn from it. Let's read the story together and find out what actually happened to the shepherd boy when he cried, "Wolf, wolf." So, the heading of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Here is a beautiful picture. See, the boy is crying. Once upon a time, there was a little shepherd boy who would take his flock of sheep to the hill to graze the fresh green grasses near. The hill area was quite infamous for a wolf's menace who used to attack the sheep grazing there. However, the villagers of the nearby area were well aware of the wolf and always ready to help anyone crying out for help. The shepherd boy's master told him about the helping nature of the villagers. One day, the shepherd boy got really bored while sitting idle on the hillside and watching his flock of sheep grazing out there. So, he came up with an idea to amuse himself. Suddenly, he cried out loudly for help. "Wolf, wolf, the wolf is raiding my sheep." Hearing that, the villagers came running towards the hillside and found out there was no wolf. The shepherd boy successfully fooled the villagers and laughed out loud heartily to the villagers' dismay. The villagers became really angry and told the shepherd boy not to call out for help when there was no wolf in reality. After a few days, the shepherd boy again called out for help. "Wolf, wolf, the wolf is raiding my sheep." And to his amusement, the villagers again rushed to the hillside to help him drive the wolf away. But they discovered that they got fooled by the shepherd boy for the second time in a row. They generally became very upset and angry. They warned the little boy not to raise a false alarm ever again. However, the shepherd boy actually saw a wolf the very next day when he was on the hillside grazing his flock of sheep. Being alarmed and afraid, he called out for help as loudly as he could. "Wolf, wolf!" The farmers heard his screams and smiled at one another. "Does he think by shouting more loudly we are going to help him?" They continued with their work in the field, turning a deaf ear to the boy's repeated shouting. Alas, nobody came to his rescue as they assumed the shepherd boy was unnecessarily crying for help just to fool them like earlier. As the sun was seen setting in the west, the farmers collected their tools and waited for the shepherd boy to return. He always came down at sunset with the sheep and walked home with the farmers. That day he was late. The farmers were puzzled. They were very caring people and decided that they would go up the hillock to get him and his sheep despite his naughtiness. They were surprised to see him sitting with his face covered as they approached him. They found him sobbing. "Little boy, What happened? Upon being asked what happened, he replied, there really was a wolf here. The wolf attacked the sheep. The flock has scattered. I cried out, Wolf, why didn't you come? The boy replied, the villagers did feel sorry, but they tried to make him understand. You played a trick on us a few times and enjoyed a hearty laugh at our expense. We thought you were playing another prank when we heard your calls this morning. That is why we refused to come. The boy learned the lesson and promised to never lie again. So, the moral of the story is once a liar, always a liar. Means a liar is never believed even when he speaks the truth. This classic story stresses the importance of speaking the truth. One lie can always lead to another. But when you speak the truth, you don't have to worry about anything. So that was the story. Now it's vocab time. इस स्टोरी में क्या क्या कौन कौन से वोकैब्स आए हुए हैं जिनकी मीनिंग्स हमें जाननी चाहिए, आइए देख लेते हैं। तो हमारा पहला वोकैब है शेफर्ड। शेफर्ड का मतलब होता है चरवाहा या गड़ेड़िया। फिर है फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप। फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप का मतलब होता है भेड़ों का झुंड। हिल। हिल का मतलब होता है पहाड़ी। मेनेस। मेनेस मीन्स खतरा। अम्यूज़। अम्यूज़ मीन्स मनोरंजन करना या फिर मन बहलाना। रेडिंग। रेडिंग मीन्स धावा बोलना या आक्रमण करना। डिस्मे। डिस्मे मीन्स घबराहट या बेचैनी। एंड अलार्म्ड। अलार्म्ड मीन्स चिंतित होना। स्क्रीम्स। स्क्रीम्स का मतलब होता है चिल्लाना, ज़ोर ज़ोर से चीखना जिसको बोलते हैं वो चिल्लाना। एंड हिलॉक। हिलॉक मीन्स होता है छोटी पहाड़ी। अप्रोच्ड। अप्रोच्ड का मतलब होता है नज़दीक आना या संपर्क में आना। सॉबिंग। सॉबिंग का मतलब होता है सिसक सिसक कर रोना। सो ये थी आज की स्टोरी। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। बाय बाय।